I believe that this study, this multicenter study, validated this approach of using DNA methyltransferase inhibitors, otherwise known as hypomethylating agents, in advanced phase MPNs, specifically myelofibrosis, including myelofibrosis that's progressing towards the accelerated phase. It also highlights the fact that decitabine can be delivered in other ways besides the standard intravenous formulation. And I'm very excited that oral decitabine is actually now also entering new investigational trials for advanced phase MPNs. So I think the future holds a lot of promise.